Sabagita. What? Sampalok.
English sa sampalok.
Sambag.
English sa sambag. 5,
Not.
4, T ang gola.
Wala sa sarili.
3, 2,
Timpalok. Guess the fruit challenge! Shout out sa last part.
Okay, let's go! 3, 2, 9.
Peach.
Wrong. 5,
Apple. Appleberry.
4,
Cranberry.
3,
Star fruit.
Two.
Peach? Mana? Apple peach.
1. Pipit.
Comment down below.
Answer is apricot.
Ay. Oh, mauna ko.
3, 2, 9.
Dragon fruit.
Very good, Kaylee. 2, 9.
Oh. Cranberry.
Wrong. 5,
Appleberry.
4.
Lychee.
Very good.
Say lychee. What ka din? Ay.
3, 2, 9.
Cranberry.
Wrong. 5.
Raspberry. Mango fruit.
Oh,
Ito. Mulberry.
very good.
Mulberry.
3, 2, 9.
Cranberry. Star fruit.
Very good. 2, 9.
Grapes.
Wrong.
Cranberry.
Very good, Kaylee.
Eh.
2, 9.
Pear. Guava.
Wrong. Bava ko ta.
Guava?
Oh, di ba yun? 5.
Tulog na sa mo ah. Ates. Ay. Iba. Raspberry.
Wrong. Answer is
Comment your answer.
3, 2, 9.
Durian.
Very good, Nitch.
Wow, lahi.
3, 2, 9.
Lemoncito. Lime.
Very good, Kaylee. Say limoncito. 3, 2, 9.
Jackfruit.
Wrong. 5,
Papaya.
4.
Melon.
Very good, Nitch. 3, 2, 9.
Pomelo.
Wrong. 5,
Light,
4,
Pomegranate.
3,
Pomegranate.
2,
Kana.
One.
Pomegranate.
Pipit.
Comment down below.
Answer is passion fruit.
Umukaon ka naman sa panistis.
3, 2, 9. 5. Very good, Nitch. 3, 2, 9.
Pear.
Very good, Kaylee.
Pear.
3, 2, 9.
Cranberry. Ha?
5.
Sigaw na.
P.
Passion. Ay.
Five. Four.
Pepper.
4,
Pepper. Ay.
3, 2, 1.
Comment down below.
Comment your answer.
Oh,
3, 2, 9.
Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Red apple.
5,
4 letters only.
4,
Guava.
3,
Kiwi.
2, 1. Flavor sa imong kuhan. Lip tint.
Peach.
3, 2, 9.
Pomegranate.
Very good, Nitch. 3, 2, 9.
Sugar cane.
Very good, Nitch. 3,
Tubon.
3, 2, 9.
Sabagita. What? Sampalok.
English sa sampalok.
Sambag.
English sa sambag. 5,
Not.
4. T ang gola.
Wala sa sarili.
3, 2,
Timpalok.
1.
Comment down below.
You can comment your answer.
Next. 3, 2, 9.
Peanut. Chestnut. Hazelnut. Almond.
Not the one.
Coconut. Almond nut.
Wrong.
Chestnut.
1, 5, 4,
Pipe nut.
3,
Eric nut.
2. Nani sa yung
Hazelnut.
emoji. Ito nga. 1.
Organic nut.
Pipit.
Comment your answer.
Oh!
3, 2, 9!
Watermelon.
Wrong.
Pumelon.
Wrong.
Pomelo.
Pumilo.
Pomelo.
Wrong. 5,
Melon.
4.
Guava. Pink guava.
Ha?
Pink guava.
Very good, Nitch!
So that is for today's video. Shout out time. Shout out and hello kay Nicole Brizuela. Shout out. Annalisa Comafranca. Shout out. Baby Therese Chavez. Shout out. Alex De Vera. Shout out. Hazel Fabala Teoxon. Shout out. Jacob M. Arvita. Shout out. Mariah Raylai John Silva. Shout out. Nikki Shane Gonzalez. Shout out. Julia Rodrigo Serna. Shout out. Mai Enale. Shout out. So that is for today's video. And all sa mga God bless everyone and I thank you.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 oh.